Dogecoin cost really equivalent to $0.0794 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.0772 to 0.0796, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0784. The change was plus 0.0010, plus 1.28%, which generally is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to Doge in a very significant way. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a very huge manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.077, truly greatest $0.082, most certainly least $0.072, which essentially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.078, exceptionally greatest $0.083, lovely least $0.073 in a sort of significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.078, genuinely most extreme $0.083, exceptionally least $0.073. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.077, especially most extreme $0.082, genuinely least $0.072, which really is genuinely huge. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.075, especially most extreme $0.080. By and large least $0.070, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost $0.076, most extreme $0.081, certainly least $0.071, which most certainly is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.076, really most extreme $0.081, essentially least $0.071, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.077, kind of most extreme $0.082, kind of least $0.072 in a huge way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.076, really greatest $0.081, genuinely least $0.071, or so they thought. In about 14 days Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.077, extremely greatest $0.082, genuinely least $0.072, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.077, in every way that really matters, greatest $0.082, for the most part least $0.072. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.076, genuinely greatest $0.081, least $0.071, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.078, essentially most extreme $0.083, exceptionally least $0.073, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.073, most extreme $0.078, sort of least $0.068, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.070, beautiful most extreme $0.075, lovely least $0.065, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 29, cost $0.066, essentially greatest $0.071, really least $0.061, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.068, fundamentally most extreme $0.073, certainly least $0.063, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.069. By and large greatest $0.074, kind of least $0.064, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.070, in every practical sense, greatest $0.075, genuinely least $0.065, which especially is very huge. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 2, cost $0.070, kind of most extreme $0.075, all things considered, least $0.065 in a very large way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost $0.071, especially greatest $0.076, least $0.066, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.074. Fundamentally most extreme $0.079, certainly least $0.069 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Doge conversion scale really equivalent to 12.6008 coins per $1 in a sort of significant manner. Today, S reach 125581 129567, or so they essentially thought. The past day, S nearby 12.7535. Change for now 0.1527. 1.20%. Exceptionally further appearance how in about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 19. Cost $0.077. Beautiful most extreme 0.082, kind of least 0.072, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not so distant future in month. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 8, cost 12.987 coins. Most certainly greatest 13.889, sort of least 12.195 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 12.821 coins. Greatest 13.699, sort of least 12.048, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 12.821 coins. Genuinely greatest 13.699, genuinely least 12.048 in an especially significant way. USD to Doge forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 12.987 coins. Truly greatest 13.889, sort of least 12.195 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 13.333 coins. Essentially greatest 14.286, especially least 12.500. So Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.076. Genuinely most extreme 0.081, exceptionally least 0.071 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 13.158 coins. Sort of most extreme 14.085, essentially least 12.346, which fundamentally is very huge. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 13.158 coins. Truly most extreme 14.085, in every practical sense, least 12.346, which basically shows that Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.077, especially greatest 0.082, least 0.072, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 12.987 coins, especially most extreme 13.889, by and large least 12.195 in an exceptionally significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 13.158 coins, kind of greatest 14.085, really least 12.346, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In about 14 days USD to Doge